What's going on YouTube? Modeling up back at you with another build update on the M2 Halftrack. So, as you can see, did get some color onto this. More or less, this was just kind of a preliminary coat, just to kind of see how the paint was going down. Also, in the mix of that, found that I was missing, or basically had run out of the color that I'm going to be using for this, which is Mr. Color number 38, just olive drab US tank World War II. So, got some on order and things like that. So last couple of build sessions here at the bench has been more or less just kind of finishing up the details. So as you can see, put in a couple of parts that I needed for the M2 variant here. Some parts I'm leaving off to detail later. Sorry, got a little bit of dust in here. So yeah, I got that in. I went ahead and put these on since I'm able to drop in the lights right behind, and so worked with that. Went ahead and got this actually pretty close to finished up. I am going to need to get a couple of the detail parts around the engine painted, and then once I do that, that'll be basically ready. Went ahead and also got the front drive assembly together, everything like that, painted, ready to go. I do have, let me grab over, it's a piece of styrene, or yeah, sorry, not styrene, but a piece of styrofoam, there we go, that I use just to kind of pin and hold things on. So I've got the tracks together. They're ready to get painted in rubber. I'll probably get that down here in the next night or so. And then the other bit that I really got done was got all the wheels off and get ready to lay down the rubber on those as well. So the other bit that I started working a little bit tonight, and the reason for all the dust, is started working with getting some of the molds, or the parts off the molds for the Legend set. Again, working with resin, if you've not worked with it in the past, always make sure that you use some sort of ventilation or do it outside, as the dust is highly toxic, similar to like an asbestos type of thing. The other thing I worked and got done is some of the miscellaneous parts. So I have the front visor or sunshade armor plate here. Again, I'm going to have mine in the open position, so it's more of a sunshade for them. I got the photo etch parts in here on the side doors, and then got all three gun mounts assembled and ready for paint as well. Went ahead and, instead of having the guns just pointed straight out the side, went ahead and just kind of canted them. The 230 cals will be canted more towards the back, and then the 50 cal will just be kind of canted off to the side. Again, gives it a little bit of a different look, as well as, you know, again, you know, my model the way I wanted it. So that's pretty much that. So as you can see, got quite a bit done on this here over the last few weeks. As soon as I get the paint in, then I can really start pushing on a little bit more with this as well. So yeah, any questions, comments, definitely post them down below. Definitely want to say welcome to any of the new subscribers that have come on, and again, I will catch you in the next one. Peace.